channel. This is another fire kit video by Tony Too Tough, and I just wanted to show off this. This is the kit that I just now put together. So I want to kind of go through this with you real quick. Obviously fat wood, right? And I put the fat wood. I kind of went ahead and took the initiative and split some up. I like to call these the little matches. They're perfect. Just pull one out. You just get the tip lit, bam, you can stick it right inside a fire. You're good to go, right? Big lighter. I put some 3M tape around it. It's reflective because it's gray, and if you lost it on the ground, it'd be easy to find. Yes, that's a zip tie on there. The sticky stuff doesn't stay on very well, so whatever. Anyways, I got 3 different types of ferro rods here. The first one is a magnesium bar. I do have it wrapped with jute twine. There is a ferro rod right here underneath there. I don't know if you can see that, but it's right there. And the jute twine is the tinder, so is the magnesium. So you'll take the striker, which is inside there. All right, I got it wrapped in there, but you'll shave off some of this magnesium just like you would fat wood. Put it into a little pile, strike it with your ferrocerium rod, bam, and it sparks up to, like, I want to say it's like thousands of degrees. Super, super hot. Be very careful with this. Plus, just another basic ferro rod, right? This one's pretty cool because I got this at the gun show. And anyways, it's got a magnesium bar on there, and then it's got the ferrocerium rod right there. Got a striker here. Now, it does have these little button compasses. Don't trust your life on there. They're just not that great. They just put it in here just to add some, hey, it's a survival item. Anyways, I wouldn't trust them. And I mean, like right now, it is currently pointing northish, right? Northish, but it'll get your cardinal directions maybe. I still wouldn't trust it. Anyways, moving on. Here is the infamous pucks that I make. These are some older ones that I had. So they're mostly candle wax, I want to say, and just some paraffin wax and some cotton rounds. I wrapped them up inside here. This is a tin, and in this tin, I actually have some melted paraffin wax in there and some additional cotton rounds just to be able to make more, right? The ultimate piece of equipment in your fire kit is just a piece of aluminum foil, because when you're shaving down fat wood or you're starting a small tinder fire, having it on something that's off the ground, that's not wet, that you can just pick up your shavings with and then collect everything that you need. This little piece of aluminum foil folds out to about 3 by 2, so 3 by 18, whatever. Anyways, it's enough to do what you need, and don't underestimate this. This is good to have in your kit. This right here is just a piece of just a roll of jute twine, and I went ahead and took the liberty of, on this piece right here, this is actually shredded jute twine. So more on this a little bit later, but the concept is you take the jute twine and you unravel it, and then you turn it into what I like to call doll hairs. Doll hairs is what I would use as my tinder bundle. I would drop a piece of char cloth, right? I'm gonna do a demonstration of some char cloth here in just a minute. I'll also do some videos. You've seen me make this on my channel before, but basically there's about 3 cigar rolls in here. You don't have to use the entire roll unless you just want to, but you could just break off a little piece. It's good to go. It's what I would use to get any tinder bundle started with. So you drop that. You can hit it with a ferrocerium rod. Bam, lights up, done deal. And I'm going to show you here in just a minute. So moving on, I did include some cotton 4x4 just bandages, basically. So the bandages are in there, definitely cotton. So you know, it's just a piece of, it's a source of tinder. Now I also wanted to mention that you can char these. This makes great char cloth. So do those cotton rounds. The cotton rounds are probably by far my favorite things to char cloth now, and I've done a lot. I've done terry cloth, cotton towels, and I've done you know, just a ton of stuff that I've used. Jean material, that works too, but nothing takes a spark like a cotton round that's been charred. Insane. Really, really good stuff. So check it out. I want you to try that and make a video on it. I did include a couple of these little tiny candles. These are the never go out candles, so like they're little gag gift candles. They're broken, but hey, get the idea that it'll keep a flame going. Even if you try to blow it out, it'll still go. So light it once, you're good. All right. Anyways, that is the extent of it. And like I promised, I'm gonna do a quick demonstration on this char cloth. So I'm gonna move this out of the way. What we got here is just one of my cigar rolls. I'm just going to unroll it. All right, I could just take a piece off of it, which is fine. But you know what? Let's just go ahead and do it anyways. Let's check it out. So I'm going to use the technique that Jake from Bushcraftology had just showed me on one of his videos. Thanks for the shout out. I appreciate that. One good turn deserves another. So he put his right up there, bam, and then just hit it a couple of times. And you can see. Now, if you want to shower it with sparks, do that. Do however you want. You come right up close and then hit it. Bam. But here's the thing. This is the concept. It's sparking because it's still got some of that stuff on there. Anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video on that. I'm going to put all this stuff back in. Now, there is one secret ingredient that I have in here. And it's inside this bag. But when you get this entire fire kit delivered to your doorstep, Jake, you'll know what's in there, buddy.